The 2013 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, power steering, front air conditioning, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.